Alright, in this video we're taking a quick look at the new Predator V4 Micro. This is the full case version, and the reason they call it the full case because it's completely enclosed now, and none of the electronic boards or little chips and stuff are exposed. And this is the old style here. As you can see, the board's exposed here, and in hard crashes sometimes little chips might get knocked off and that would pretty much wreck your camera. And then the other thing that's different is the lens. This is a newer 1.7mm lens. This is the old 1.8mm style lens on most of the old Predators here. And you can see also the front of the board's also exposed, like that capacitor, for example. So certain hard crashes, these things might go flying off, and that's why they developed this new full case Predator V4. So it's the same firmware as their old Predator V4, just new updated lens and case here, and it's going to weigh a little bit different. Of course, the image is going to look a little bit different as well, so I'm going to show you another flight demo at the end. But the weight will be a little bit different, 6.3 grams than the old style. I think it's going to be lighter. Yeah, it's about 5.7 grams. So you gain about half a gram of weight in exchange for a lot more protection. That's pretty much it. All the settings appear to be the same firmware. The image looks pretty much the same. You might get a little bit different field of view with this new lens. So I'll go ahead and show you that, and I'll link the old Predator V4 video. You can compare the footage from this newer updated V4 to the old V4, and you'll see, you can judge for yourself whether or not you like the improvements or would you rather stick to the current V4. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and here's the footage, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.